Every CNC machine depends on inputs and outputs. But in production, it's not just about connecting devices. It's about how reliably your machine responds. Inputs tell your machine what's happening. Outputs control what it does next. From limit switches and probes to spindles, coolant, and automation. This is where control becomes real. With MASSO, inputs and outputs are handled through a dedicated embedded control system, not layered on top of a general-purpose operating system. That means no background processes, no unexpected interruptions, just deterministic, real-time response, every time. In this video, we'll walk through how to assign inputs and outputs on your MASSO controller, how to invert their states, and a few important assignment rules to be aware of. First, power on your MASSO CNC controller. Select the F1 setup screen, enter your password, and press enter. Note, if your password is blank, you must still press enter to allow settings changes. Next, select Inputs or Outputs, then double-click or tap to open the assigned function screen. Scroll through the list to find the function you want to assign. Select the function to highlight it, then press Select. If an input or output needs to be inverted, select it and press the spacebar to invert its state. On MASSO Touch, the spacebar is available on screen, and inputs and outputs can be selected by tapping the display. Most inputs and outputs can be assigned freely, with two important exceptions. Laser engraving using PWM can only be assigned to output 11. Plasma DTHC can only be assigned to input 9. Setting up inputs and outputs in MASSO is direct and structured. In a production environment, consistency matters. Reliable inputs mean accurate probing. Stable outputs mean predictable machine behavior. And deterministic control means your machine responds the same way, today, tomorrow, and years from now. When configuring your machine, assign critical functions, like safety inputs or probing, to dedicated signals. This ensures consistent, uninterrupted operation where it matters most. Because control systems should serve machines, not the other way around. Built for production, available to all.